Squidward's here, and we're here with Sam, Seth, and the camera guy again. And we're in a merry-go-round right now, and we're hitting it hard. And by the way, we're playing Dare to Dare, and Sam has got names put out my hands. So we'll see when that happens. Off the top, here we go.
No, get in here. Sam, get in here. Down here. So look, Samuel's dare is to jump off the merry-go-round and back on 2 times in a row. So that's his dare. Wait till it goes fast, because it goes fast. It goes pretty fast. For merry-go-rounds. But yeah, so anyways, we will also be doing gaming on this channel, okay? And a lot of different games. We'll have a variety, okay? We'll have computer, console, cell phone games, all the games.
Alright, I gotta do it when he's not looking.
Jordan!
Yeah, you ready?
Wait, back there, that's when we have to do it, okay? Back there, you can do it now, you can do it now.
Are you ready?
Okay, are you gonna get off all these watermelons or not? Quickly, wait, when it goes down, just jump off, bro. Here.
Ready? Are you ready? That's scary.
It is though, like legit, I'm gonna try it, ready? I'm gonna push him off.
I almost broke my ankle, dude.
That guy's watching, you idiot. No more. Stop. I don't know. Stop, Samuel. Stop, Jordan. You idiot. Don't do that. Totally pushed your head in the bus there.
I didn't know that was stupid. I didn't know that was a place. Kevin!
He falls off. Huh?
Wait, what did he say?
Alright, stay on the seats. Stay on the seats, bro. Get on the seats, bro. Get on with me. We'll double do this, bro. Get on. Bam, look at this, bro. We're chilling together, bro. It's 4 seats.
Bam.
Alright, bam. What?
Do not hop off of the right.
Fucking get it, you faggot. Yeah, like, it's been like running around like 4,000 times. Like, do not jump off the right.
I swear.
So don't. You idiot. Don't do that, bro.
How would you do that?
I'm sorry. Yeah, dude, seriously.
Me?
Yeah.
I didn't realize that's where he was.
How did you not? Like, right there was imperfect.
Well,
He's not looking. But no, you had to do it a dumb way. Dude, I don't want to lose my path, bro.
That's fine. I was so scared I was gonna eat it. Jordan, you're ready to get pants any second now.
Any second. Wait for the ride to stop, Samuel. Seth, wait for the ride to stop, you dumb. Did you not just hear him? What was it? Definitely scary.
Next time you guys are ready, I cannot have you guys pick up people, right? Anywhere you go, stay where you are.
Okay. That was a terrible idea. That was dumb. Dumb. It's kind of stupid. Guys, oh my god, that was so stupid. Yes, I got all on film, bro.
Guys, it's just him go. There's Sam. I dare Sam to go on time trip.
No, that's dumb.
Yeah, they already will. I dare Sam to jump on the fountain.
No, that's
Best thing is that is one thing I love here.
the only person to do that is me, but I got new shoes, or I got new basketball shoes, and I'm wearing them, so it's kind of dumb. It's like the whole point of basketball.
No, that's
Not to wear them everywhere.
I will. Okay.
That was so stupid.
I'm gonna do a prank with people, okay? I'm gonna do a prank.
give me another minute.
What you do is here. Or Sam. You know what I should do? Do they have Gavin here? Because if they do, I might get one. No, they only have freaking Mexican names. Freaking course. I know it's racist, but you know, still. Only Mexican name. Look. Roberto. Whose name is that, bro? Look at this. I bet you they don't even have Adam. I swear to you. That's like the most.
They have Sam. They have Pedro.
Of course
Pam,
they do.
And they have Raphael.
Of course, why wouldn't they? Joel. That's Nogla's dog. Ooh. Look at this. They don't have Gavin. That's messed up. Messed up right there. Oh, no, down. They have Adam. Never mind. They don't have Gavin because this place is freaking asshole. What the hell is this? Oh my god, candy, bro. I love candy. Come on, let's go somewhere.
Alright, let's go.
Who's trying?
Which ride should we go for?
I know. But let's go.
Are you vlogging?
Seth, come on.
Me?
Yes.
I'm coming right now.
She keeps calling me.
Where I go to Should I still do that?
See, we'll be right back in a second. We're back. Cheers. Cheers. We're doing something weird. They're weird. Oh, those are the balls you can win.
Are you ready?
It's cool.
On your mark.
Oh, let's go to the Sky Tower. Go!
First one is a little bit cheated.
So you can vlog up there. Okay, everyone at the Sky Tower right now. I am. I don't know what the hell they're doing, but
And then for two.
we go there. There's a green screen going. It's too long this time, so we're not gonna go on it, which kind of sucks. Before it was summer for some people. We would go on Wednesday after school because it was early release, and we would go on all the rides here because the lines would be super short. But I guess now we can't, which kind of sucks because it's not super summer and all the lines are gonna be really long. So that kind of sucks a lot. Anyway, let's go up. Seth, move. So yeah. He just got roasted by that kid.
This should be in front. Like,
We need a thumb.
We
I got that too.
need a thumbnail.
Yeah. I
Let's
do.
do a thumbnail right now.
down, man.
Let's do a thumbnail right now.
everybody to see.
Yeah.
I don't even
We'll do something later when I edit the video. No, that'll just be at the beginning of the video. We're good. I don't have to edit. Why?
Kevin, do our first video. What's our thumbnail?
Just Jonathan's face.
Wait. Eric, man.
What? Change the picture. Shit.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
See how our first video is doing so far.
Well, we can't even.
Like,
Can't even.
Thanks for telling me.
we are doing 3 videos today.
3? Oh yeah, we'll put a video.
I don't want to go on this.
We're gonna do 2 games today and 1 vlog. Because we're gonna do day vlog.
Not 2 games, just a vlog and a freaking gaming. Sometimes we might skip a vlog or something.
Actually, it might be a vlog. What is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cooking with the famous Dexter!
Yeah, I think
So stop kicking me. Before I kick you. Did they seriously just stop us or no?
okay.
No, they're taking there.
We can vlog in here, right?
Yeah. Pretty shit. We'll go pretty
We're
high.
gonna vlog in there.
It's not like Supreme Scream though. Supreme Scream is gnarly. Gnarly. Gnarly, dude. Oh yeah. Yeah, it is Daryl. But, you know, Actually, I'll show you, but after this ride, I think this is it. But
Everybody.
go. I should stay here. There's no more people coming. No, just go here.
Alright, let's hit it.
It's just like
I'll sit there.
It should be
I'll sit here. Everybody, we're gonna be
vlogging.
we're gonna be vlogging the Sky Cabin at Knott's Berry Farm. So hope you enjoy. Come on.
Oh my god.
Guys, should we go on to this ride?
Yeah, I guess. But after this, I think it's I guess we're just waiting. I don't know what we're waiting for. Oh, Akinator. Yeah. Akinator. So I guess we're gonna play some Akinator while we're waiting, and I'll show the video back up.
We're gonna play Highway Shark.
I guess so. So let's play Highway Sharks then. And I'll just go back up.
Oh no, you're hungry,
Literally, as soon as I cut the vlog off, literally, I'm not even joking. I cut it and it started going. I swear, that was dumb. Or the video would only be like 2 seconds longer.
Dude, this is where my mom was born.
No, your mom was not born at your place.
Yes, it was.
She was? Fucking prick.
Ow! I didn't slap your butt.
I have that on tape too. Fuck you. Holy crap. I can't believe I've actually been on that. Oh my god, we're so high. Like, we're higher than high.
Guys, come here. Look.
I don't know if we go higher. Don't move. The floor break.
Look how close I am.
Move. Just sit down. Get ready to sit down. Because if the floor breaks, Samuel's going to die if the floor breaks. Dude, look at that. Bro, we're going high. Dude, we're at the top.
We're accelerator height.
Bro, I would hate this so much if it broke. Just imagine just being like this. Oh my god.
Can you just drop down? That'd be funny.
They wouldn't drop down. The floor would drop and you would go like this. You'd be like this.
That'd be the best.
The scariest vlog. Dude, Supreme Scream. That ride's the best. Right there. Come here. Supreme Scream is right
Okay, this
there.
room's not as scary as this.
I'm gonna sock you. Sit down.
Sit down.
The floor fall. Oh, fuck. Okay, you can sit on my lap now. I'm daddy, so you're right.
You have to tell me what I want for Christmas, bitch.
No, you have to tell me what you want for Christmas.
Oh yeah. I want a dildo the size of a 12-inch.
Hey everybody.
Dude, that's messed up. I hate that. I hate being up there. I can't believe I've been up there. Like, it goes like over the top right there, like that. It's kind of dumb.
Can you like, can you like jiggle your foot? Then like up and down. Thank you. That's nice.
Dude, that's messed up. Look at that view though. You can see the city all the way down there. See the mountains out
What are
there.
we doing tomorrow at school?
I don't know. The Ghost Rider's running. See? Look, it's not running. They're actually trying to. Actually, look. See it moving?
I see it.
You see that, right?
No, they're trying
Train.
it out.
Yeah, the train. Because they're testing it. So it's open really soon. See that? It's moving.
Oh yeah, I see it. Leaks news.
It's going forward. Well, we're going down.
Keep on jiggling. Dude, look at accelerator on.
We're all the way up there.
We're all the way up there.
Imagine shooting from
We're gonna need to do some camera. Kevin, I like how on a second.
Keep on jiggling.
I like how on a second video we're not even shy at all.
We're gonna try to board.
Hey, why do you want to go on Bigfoot Rapids?
Put it on a time, or we'll get wet.
That's the point.
Well, I was gonna say, do you want to put the camera on wipeout?
Hey, should we go on this?
Yeah.
The camera?
Bro, like, you're killing my legs. Hey, we'll get off. Oh, it hurts so bad.
Good for you.
Don't take any like kisses, bro.
No kisses in there?
Let's go, guys.
No, you don't. Let me see.
Let's go. Guys, let's move.
You liar.
You took off. Coming back now.
I only did one.
Oh, fine.